Hi everyone, I'm Andy, and welcome back to Ask Andy AI. Let me ask you something. If I showed you two photos right now, could you tell which one was real and which one was created by artificial intelligence? The truth is, AI-generated images and videos are becoming so realistic that millions of people are being fooled every day. The good news is, you don't need to be a computer expert to spot many of them. Today, I'm going to show you some simple clues anyone can learn. Let's put that to the test. One of these images is a real photograph. The other was created entirely by artificial intelligence. Take a few seconds and see if you can tell which one is fake. Don't worry if you're not sure. Most people can't tell at first glance. If you weren't sure which image was fake, don't feel bad. Most people can't tell at first glance anymore. AI has become incredibly good at copying faces, lighting, and expressions. But it's still not perfect. Small mistakes often give it away if you know where to look. One of the biggest clues is the hands. AI often struggles to create fingers that look completely natural, especially when they're bent, overlapping, or holding something. Let's take a closer look. One of the easiest places to spot an AI-generated image is the hands. While AI has improved dramatically, fingers can still give it away. Look closely for fingers that seem too long, oddly shaped, or don't quite line up naturally. You may also notice fingernails that blend into the skin, or joints that just don't look quite right. These small details are often the first clues that an image wasn't captured by a real camera. Hands are one of the easiest clues to spot, but they're not the only giveaway. Another place AI can make subtle mistakes is with reflections. Whether it's in glasses, mirrors, windows, or even shiny surfaces, reflections don't always match what's happening in the scene. Once you know to look for them, these inconsistencies can stand out surprisingly quickly. Let's look at an example. Reflections can also reveal an AI-generated image. Look closely at mirrors, windows, glasses, or shiny surfaces. In a real photograph, reflections usually match the scene perfectly. In AI-generated images, you may notice reflections that don't quite line up, missing objects, or lighting that seems just a little off. These are subtle clues, but once you start looking for them, they become much easier to notice. Reflections can be a great clue, but there's another giveaway that's even easier to spot. AI still struggles with text. Whether it's a sign, a product label, or words on a shirt, letters can appear misspelled, distorted, or simply not make sense. Let's see what that looks like. Text is one of the easiest clues to check. In real photographs, signs, menus, and labels usually contain clean, readable words. AI-generated images can produce letters that are misspelled, uneven, or don't form real words at all. Whenever you see text in an image, take a second to read it carefully. It can quickly reveal that an image wasn't created by a real camera. As you've seen, AI-generated images are getting better every day, but they're still not perfect. Before believing or sharing a photo online, take a few extra seconds to look for the clues we covered today. Check the hands, look at reflections, read any text carefully. And remember, if something feels just a little off, trust your instincts and take a closer look. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to Ask Andy AI. Every week, I'll show you practical ways to understand and use AI with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.